Today we are going to study a little, little, a few, few.
英fewは数えられる名詞を指し、複数形で使用されます。A little は通常、不可算名詞を指すために使用され、単数形で使用されます。簡単に言えば、A few は S を使用し、数えられる。A little は S を使用しない、数えられない。
Here are some examples. A few bananas. A little coffee.
バナナ数本。少しコーヒー。
Can you add S or not? If you can add an S, then it's a few. If you can't add an S, then it's a little. Cookie. Osake. Minute. Day. Money. Book. Pen. Pencil. Hair. Wait. A few cookies. A little osake. A few minutes. A few days. A little money. A few books. A few pens. A few pencils. A little hair. A little weight. I ate a few cookies after dinner. I drank a little osake after my bath. I had a few cups of osake after work with the guys. I'll be ready in a few minutes. I will go to Tokyo for a few days. I only have a little money left. I bought a few books. I have a few pens and pencils in my bag. Mike has a little hair on the top. She lost a little weight. Here are a few that are mistaken quite often. Liquid.
液体、
Powder, sugar, salt, etc.
粉、砂糖、塩、など。
Paper.
紙、
Sand.
砂
Are uncountable, so a little is correct.
は数えられないので A little を使用します。
Can I have a little more milk, please?
ミルクをもう少しちょうだい。
How does it taste? Does it need a little more salt?
味はどう？もう少し塩気が必要ですか？
I have only a little paper left. Can I borrow a few pieces of paper?
紙が少ししか残っていません。A few 使うなら A few piece。紙を何枚か借りてもいいですか？
Hold up, I have a little sand in my shoe.
ちょっと待って、靴の中に砂が少し入ってる。
Let's try some questions. I have good friends. I only have water left. I need to talk to you for minutes. Do you want to take cookies with you? How about going out for beers after work? Can we talk? Okay, but I only have time. He only trusts people. I only have information on that company. I'd like to have words with you. There's cake left. Would you like some? Let's check your answers. I have a few good friends. I only have a little water left. I need to talk to you for a few minutes. Do you want to take a few cookies with you? How about going out for a few beers after work? Can we talk? Okay, but I only have a little time. He only trusts a few people. I only have a little information on that company. I'd like to have a few words with you. There's a little cake left. Would you like some? A little and little difference. A few and few difference. There is a little milk.
牛乳は少しあります。
There is little milk.
牛乳が少ない。ほとんどありません。
He has a little patience.
彼は少し忍耐があります。
He has little patience.
彼はほとんど忍耐力がありません。
I have a few problems with this car.
この車にはいくつか問題があります。
I have few problems with this car.
この車にはほとんど問題がありません。
There are a few cars on the road after midnight.
真夜中過ぎ、道路には数台の車があります。
There are few cars on the road after midnight.
真夜中過ぎ、道路には車がほとんどありません。
Let's try a few problems. Children from this school go on to university, unfortunately. London has sunshine in the winter. There are programs on television that I want to watch. He has free time. He's very busy. Few children from this school go on to university, unfortunately. London has little sunshine in the winter. There are few programs on television that I want to watch. He has a little free time. He's very busy.
Let's try some more problems using a little, a few, little, few. We've got time at the weekend. Would you like to meet? She gave us tomatoes from her garden. There are women politicians in Japan. Many people think there should be more. I've got samples to give away. Would you like one? There's milk left in the fridge. Do you want a glass? She's lucky. She has problems. He has free time. He's very busy. We've got a little time at the weekend. Would you like to meet? She gave us a few tomatoes from her garden. There are few women politicians in Japan. Many people think there should be more. I've got a few samples to give away. Would you like one? There's a little milk left in the fridge. Do you want a glass? She's lucky. She has few problems. He has little free time. He's very busy.
How did you do? Did you get them all right? Thanks for watching.